DecoNetwork makes it easy to be able to download all the production worksheets together as a batch with just a couple clicks of a button. Simply come into the production section, and the first thing you want to do is sort and filter your jobs. Maybe you want to sort by have I downloaded it yet, which means have I downloaded the production worksheet, yes or no? Well, if I click yes, that means I haven't downloaded it. Or maybe I want to search by, hey, I want to see all the POs for PO number 184351. So that's going to be for all the blanks that are tied to this purchase order from that supplier. Or maybe I want to filter by decoration process and order or production status. You could see there's many different ways I can filter my jobs down. And then once I've got the list the way I want, I can then select those jobs. And on the far right over here, I can download the selected worksheets. Now, if I do them as individual files, it's going to download a folder for each order, which is going to contain the production worksheet and each design that is going to be decorated. If I do as one PDF, it's just going to download the production worksheets, no artwork, and it's just going to be one giant PDF that I can easily print. In my shop, we download the PDF based on the supplier purchase order number. That way I've got a stack of order worksheets that directly correspond with the blanks that arrive when they're delivered by UPS each day. It's really that easy to be able to download batch production worksheets as a batch by simply sorting and filtering your orders and then coming over to download selected worksheets as one PDF.